In this video, I am going to show you how to start farming grass tokens. The first season has ended and only about 5% of the rewards were allocated to the community. However, it still generated a lot of profit in season 1 due to small number of participants. In season 2, the community rewards have been increased to 15%, which is absolutely incredible. To get started, you need to download the Grass extension for your browser. Once it is downloaded, simply go to your extensions and connect it. It will start farming grass tokens using your network. You don't need to do anything else, just open your browser and you will start earning points automatically. If you navigate to the reward tabs, you can check your daily points. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content.